Top 10 vegetables that support kidney health. Number 1. Cauliflower. Rich in vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants, cauliflower helps detoxify the body, supporting kidney function. Number 2. Kale. Packed with antioxidants, kale supports kidney function by reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients like vitamin K. Number 3. Cabbage. Low in potassium, cabbage is an excellent source of fiber and antioxidants that help detoxify the kidneys. Number 4. Bell peppers. They are low in potassium but high in vitamins A and C, helping to reduce the burden on kidneys while boosting immunity. Number 5. Garlic. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, garlic can help reduce kidney inflammation and improve overall function. Number 6. Zucchini. A low potassium vegetable, zucchini helps manage fluid retention and is easy on the kidneys while providing vitamin C. Number 7. Asparagus. High in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, asparagus helps detoxify the kidneys and supports overall urinary tract health. Number 8. Pumpkin. With a good balance of nutrients like vitamins A and C, pumpkin is beneficial for kidney health and helps reduce inflammation. Number 9. Green beans. Low in potassium and rich in antioxidants, green beans can help maintain kidney health and manage blood pressure. Number 10. Lettuce. Lettuce is hydrating and low in potassium, making it a kidney-friendly option while promoting good digestion.